Here's another example. Rogers Corp uses the cash basis, but its bank is asking for financial statements that are on the accrual basis. So our job is to convert this cash-based information to accrual-based information. Actually, the first thing it's asking for is income statements on the cash basis based on this information. And we want cash-based net income for 2019 and 2020. Okay, so for 2019, we have cash receipts shown the year that it relates to across here, and then the period of time in which the cash was actually received or spent going down vertically. All right, so on the cash basis, all we care about is when we got the cash. So we're just looking at 2019. Cash-based revenue was $295,000. Cash-based expenses, regardless of when they relate to, our cash-based expenses, 185 plus 40, 225. And cash-based income of $70,000. For 2022, we don't care what the cash receipts relate to, what year of sales. We're just going to add the 160 and the 355, and we're going to get 515,000 for their cash-based revenues. And for the expenses, we don't care about what period they relate to. We're going to add the 67, the 160, and the 45 to get total expenses of 272,000 and cash-based income of 243,000. Next, we're asked to do something similar, but looking at revenues, expenses, and net income on an accrual basis. So now we don't care about when the cash payments and receipts were done. We care about when do they relate to. So under our accrual basis, looking at 2019 and 2020, our revenues for 2019, we don't care about when they were collected, whether it was 19, 20, or 21. We care about that they relate to 2019 sales. So we're going to add these numbers up to get 485. And for the expenses, all we care about is what they relate to, is 2019 expenses, not when they were paid. So we're going to get total expenses of 277,000. And our net income on an accrual basis is 208,000. And then for 2020, we're going to add up everything that related to 2020 sales, which was 445. For the expenses, everything that relates to 2020, 255, and net income of 190,000.